So you're buying the DJI Spark, but you need to buy this one more product that will save your sanity. And the product is this little cable. It's called an OTG cable, and it will save you so much of hassle when flying the DJI Spark. Let me tell you why. So when I bought the DJI Spark, I was super excited about having it, and I took it out for my first flight and I hooked it up to the remote controller. I started flying it, and then it happened. So I was flying away and everything was sweet on the DJI Spark, and I could see the drone taking off and the footage was really good. And then all of a sudden, I lost the video connection. I was like, what do I do now? And I just couldn't figure out what was happening. And I couldn't see the Spark because it's a really tiny drone and it sometimes gets lost in the sky. And I was trying to figure it out and it kept saying connection lost. So I went back and I started researching about why this was doing this. Was it a faulty piece or something of that sort? And what I found out is that most of the other drones, they use a little connection to your phone, so it gives you clear video feed. But with the DJI Spark, they're using the Wi-Fi technology, which basically connects your Spark to your remote controller. So these two speak to each other really well. But when it comes to the remote controller speaking to your phone, it's also using the same Wi-Fi technology. And that's usually the 2.4 or 5 gigahertz frequency. Now, although the remote controller speaks really well to the Spark because it's made for that sort of transmission, the phone does not get the same amount of clarity or good frequency, because the phone can be disturbed by other frequencies around. Like, say for example, someone else is using a phone around you, it might disturb the frequency. So after doing a lot of research around this, I figured out that if you buy this simple cable, which is really cheap, and I'll link up in the description links for similar cables, and once I connected the cable with the data transfer cable of your phone, so I have a iPhone 7 Plus, and I just use the normal cable of the iPhone 7 Plus to connect up with the OTG cable, and that connects up into the phone. I was able to get very clear video transmission footage. I don't even know if it's called video transmission footage, but yeah, I was able to see what I was doing on the Spark, and I was easily able to fly it far away, and there were no problems at all. So that really helped save me a lot of hassle, and yes, it saved my sanity. So if you're planning to fly a Spark and you're having similar issues, use this solution and it should definitely help you out. So this is how the setup with the OTG cable looks. Now I'll show it to you in the back here. The OTG cable slides into your DJI remote controller, and that then connects with the USB port to your data transfer cable that now connects to your phone. So it has a little slot in here where you can put in the cable through the slot and then connect it to your phone. Now, one point to note, I tried doing this setup with a normal cable, like just a normal USB to iPhone Lightning charger cable, and it did not work. So you need to use the original data transfer cable, and that really works well with this setup. So hope this solution has helped you guys out using a simple and easy OTG cable to connect it up to your DJI Spark and your phone, and that should definitely help out when you're flying your Spark to get that easy, smooth footage on your phone so that you can monitor everything that's happening. If you like this video, do subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time.